Hi everyone, can you guess which type of the wall this one? Yes, this is a ball wall, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the ball wall. First of all, we will discuss that what is ball wall, then we will discuss how ball wall works, and we will discuss about the application of the ball wall, advantages and disadvantages of the ball wall, and we will also discuss about the parts of the ball wall, and you can say the construction of the ball wall, right? So first of all, if you see here, this is my ball wall, and okay, it is used one. So I have replaced this ball wall from my household water tank pipeline, okay, and I thought I should make the video for you like what is ball wall. Okay, so ball wall is a rotary wall. Okay, why I say rotary wall? Because here you can see there is a rotation we can give. Okay, this is your handle, you can provide here the rotation. Okay, there are two types of the wall. The first one is rotary type, where okay, rotary type and quarter turn wall, okay, that is same. Then there are linear wall where you provide the rotation, right? For example, your gate wall and globe wall. Now see, first of all, why we use the wall? We use the wall for the flow control. Okay, so let's suppose from here you are sending one fluid, let's suppose water. Okay, and right now what will happen that if the wall is like that, okay, it means that there is a clear path, and like you can say your bore is aligned with the flow path, so this wall is open, right? Now if I turn this in the 90-degree, now this wall is closed, so your flow will not go. So this is your flow control device, right? So if I talk about the construction of the wall, so this is your body. Okay, this one is your body, this is the handle. Okay, with the help of that you will open and close this wall, right? Then this is, if you will see here, okay, this one is your spherical ball, okay, with the hole. If you see, this one is your hole, okay, and we also say this hole a bore, and this one is your disc, and where this disc is sit, that is called the seat of the wall. Okay, right now I cannot see that, I cannot show you here, but I'll show you here the picture so that you can see easily, right? Okay, now if I talk about the how this wall will work, so simply understand that right now, let's suppose if this wall is in this direction, okay, right now it is closed, okay, but let's first of all understand that when it will be open. So when this handle will be aligned or will be parallel to the line, then this wall will be open. Okay, right now this wall is open, you can see here. When you will turn it to the 90-degree, okay, then it is closed, and this wall is also known as the quarter turn wall. Okay, and the main advantage of the quarter turn wall is it can be used as a ESDV, means emergency shutdown wall. Okay, and ball wall is used as a emergency shutdown wall because it provides a airtight seal. Now as it is closed here, okay, so what will happen, this ball, this spherical ball with hole will block the flow, and your wall is closed right now. Now guys, if you have doubt so far, you can let me in the comments box. I will definitely clear your doubt as soon as possible. And if you find this video interesting so far, so you can like our video, you can share this video with your friends, and you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing videos ahead. Now if I talk about the application of the ball wall, so as I told you, it is your quarter turn wall, and this wall is a quick acting type wall. Means let's suppose if it is at let's suppose you want to use wall at that location where you want to operate wall quickly. Okay, let's suppose if you want to close it, so you want you close it quickly or you open it quickly, so you can use a ball wall because they are quick acting type wall. So that's why we use these type of like ball wall as a emergency shutdown wall. Okay, because whenever there is an emergency, you want to close it as soon as possible, right? So simply there is only handle, you will do that and it will be open and it will be closed. But in the case of the your gate wall, so what will happen in the gate wall, let's suppose this is the handle of the gate wall, so you will have to rotate it in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, okay, for a minute, then it will be closed or open. So that is the disadvantage of the gate wall or globe wall in comparison to ball wall, right? Now if this wall is fully open, if you see right now this is fully open, so now what will happen, the pressure drop will be minimum in this case, right? But in case of the like globe wall, there is a pressure drop, but see size is small, okay, and they are light in weight as compared to the gate wall and globe wall, so they are cheaper, okay, the ball walls are cheaper as well. Now also you will see as a control wall, so mainly you will see the globe wall dominate there, right? Because in globe wall the direction changes 3 times, okay, the flow direction changes 3 times, you can see in the diagram. But in case of the ball wall, it is like in this case you cannot change the direction, okay, whether you can open it fully, if you will open it partially, so vibration could be there, okay, so it could damage the wall, this disc or the sphere ball, right? Right now the manufacturer update or what manufacturer do, they simply modify this ball, okay, and provide the V shape ball, so which provide the good or precise control. So you can see the ball wall also as a control wall, and I have seen in the industry like in slurry application and many other areas as well. These are the some advantages of the ball wall, okay, they are cheaper, they are like the pressure drop is less as compared to the globe wall, right? And you can use it as a simple on off wall or the ESDV emergency shutdown wall. Now if I talk about the disadvantage, so as I told you, you cannot open it or you cannot throttle from the regular ball wall because it will create the vibration and turbulence, okay, but yes, due to modification and modified ball wall, you can use that one also, okay. And the another disadvantage is, let's suppose if the water is like you are flowing the water from here, but now you close this wall, okay, so what will happen, that as I told you, this wall is the hollow ball, okay, like the spherical ball with a hole, so what will happen, that some amount of the water will be trapped within that hole, okay. So now what will happen, let's suppose in case of water, the freezing point of the water is 0 degrees Celsius, okay, at atmospheric pressure, right? Now what will happen, that let's suppose the temperature decreases, okay, and it goes in the minus, so what will happen, the ice formation will be here, okay, within this bore, and when it will expand, so due to ice formation there could be crack in the disc, okay. So that is the one disadvantage, but it will depend when you will size the wall and when you will use the wall, so you must see the site conditions as well, what is your minimum design temperature, you must see that, okay, like in the site condition you can also see that what will be your minimum temperature, okay, based on that you will size your wall, okay. So I hope I have discussed a lot about the ball wall. If you have any doubt in the ball wall, please let me in the comments box, I will definitely clear your doubt as soon as possible. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching, keep learning, thank you.